Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jennifer from Opus Cosmetic Limited. We are the manufacturing all kinds of cosmetic products. Yes, yes. So this is our factory. Yes.
This is our
Guangzhou Opseve Cosmetic
branding.
Limited. Yes. Yes.
Now,
So we are located in Guangzhou City and Huadu districts. So we are very near to the Baiyun International Airport. Just 20 minutes you can go here. So welcome to visit us anytime. So Guangzhou's weather is too hot, right?
Yeah,
yes, the sunset.
Now, so now please follow us. I want to show you,
yes,
okay?
So first steps we will go to visit our workshop. So please follow us. Yes, you can see.
Yeah,
this is our office
of our building. Yeah.
Yes, office.
This
And
is our
the
office
workshop.
building, and this is our production building. Yeah. Now the first step we will visit our production workshop. Okay.
So our workshop may have two floors, and second floor and the third floor is for the production.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's see our production department. They are just busy working for the package. Yeah.
This is the lotion cream and the essence water.
Yeah. This is the package. We are busy packing this. We have the order. Many orders, so this is our busy season. Yes. Many workers are hardworking today. Yeah. Okay. Before the package to go inside to the production line, we will have the wash the bottle and maybe take away from the virus. Yes, protect the bottle from the virus, and then we will wash our bottle and keep this clean. Yes.
Yeah.
So they all keep here.
Yeah, you can see all kinds of different
Bottles
and
then to
package.
Package material. It's ready for filling. Yeah.
This is the room. We need to make the collection.
Yes.
Okay.
This is
for the
one
face
of
cream. Big workshop.
Yeah.
Now they are busy with skincare production.
Yes. We need.
This is for do you know what workshop produce
hand mask and foot mask?
our
professional field.
Yes. This is our hand mask and foot mask.
Yeah, this
workshop.
is our professional field.
Please note that many supply in China they sell hand mask and foot mask, but the cloth the growth they buy from outside. They do not have this machine.
Yes.
Yeah. Most of the factory they cannot. But our factory we produce the growth by ourselves. You can see. The foot mask and hand mask you can print it different characters. You can see. You can print it flower or some animal, some characters.
Just the MOQ is bigger. Maybe just 50,000 pieces for the MOQ with the pattern, with the printing. Yes. But if no printing, maybe just 10 to 30,000 pieces as MOQ. Yes, we are professional in this field. Yes. So we have our own machine and own production. Maybe some is maybe you buy from the trading company. You don't know, right? But we show you that we are the manufacturer. We have the machine here.
This is the story for semi-production. It means that after our product identification and they will store it here.
Yes.
We need to we need
Check
to
the
check whether
stability.
there is a quality problem or not.
Yes.
So you can see here there's many different balls. We store it over millions of products. Jennifer, do you know the lower is running what is for?
It's for our skincare capsule, also our professional field.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is our capsule machine.
Maybe
The drying
you can see.
machine.
Yeah.
You can see.
The dry machine for the skincare. Dry the skincare.
No. This
No?
is the drying machine for capsule.
Capsule.
The steam need to dry before package. If you notice that it's really easy to broken. For this drying machine, we have 20. We have 20 machines.
20 machine for this.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You can see.
See, they are wearing the clothes when it's in the street rules. You can see they should wear very
Inside there's air conditioner. So our worker, all they should wear the clothes, wear the cap, and wear the shoes.
Yes. We are just prevent the hair and prevent the dirt and the virus.
Yeah.
Yes, you have to do this. We are guarantee our best quality product. Yeah, safe product. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go around for the 2 floors of productions. Maybe our audience will know more about our factory's workshop, and we just show you around, and you can see some maybe some workshop, some productions you never seen this, right? So if you do in this business, you know the profession. So please give us a like and follow our live stream. So normally the car will come in here and just take our goods away. Yeah. So maybe can for yes loading like this.
We
The car
normally
will go inside.
we need to use the truck to deliver
Yes.
the goods onto the truck.
Yes. Another warehouse is for the material, packaging material, and some bottles, some tube, pouch.
The sign is same as our finished production warehouse.
This is for the material package. For the packaging to guarantee they are no leaking and no broken when we are deliver our goods. Yes. So QC will make a test before go to the production. Yes. Okay. Finally, we get the air
This is
conditioner.
our hall.
Yes. Our floors. Yeah. The whole of our office. Yes. So,
This one is our meeting room.
it's a big
Every
rooms.
week we need to hold
A big meeting is here.
our
Yes.
production meetings.
Production meeting. This is our
Yeah.
conference board.
They need to discuss about our orders,
Production.
our mass production.
Maybe the last week, right?
If there's any any questions, they occur.
Yes.
show our factory leader will solve the problem together with.
And then let's go to see our showroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we want to show our showroom.
Yeah.
I think our showroom is very beautiful.
Yes,
the design,
yes.
it will be different compared with other
Yes,
cosmetic
it's
factory.
a big and bright showroom, and we have displayed many kinds of products. You can see.
Yes.
This is our
Jennifer,
new service.
this is our new range.
Service. Yes.
You know, this
It's so
is
cute.
all for children.
Yes.
This is kids production.
Yes, or maybe have a shower gel and
Shampoo.
shampoo and
For
some cream,
all
maybe
kinds
the
of
body
cream.
lotion.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
This is
sunscreens
sunscreen.
also. Yeah, this is our new service.
Yeah.
Yeah, new invention. So you know, our goods is safe for children, and then organic and vegan.
Sure.
Yeah.
We are
Yes.
100% safe.
Yeah.
You know, for children products, we already applied a Chinese certificate for children cosmetic. You know, the requirement is very strict. But actually, our product is no problem.
Our standard model. Yes, you can see. Yes, that is men's skincare set. Yes.
And
So surround and face cream and shower gels and shampoo. All we have displayed in here. Yes, for the sunscreen, also surround. Yes, you can just show our audience all the new sample that we got in the showroom.
I want to show you this.
The facial mask sheet. Yes, the sheet.
Wow,
We have
very
different kinds.
brain.
Yes,
You can
different
see.
kinds. Yeah.
You can print the characters onto the facial mask in this
Yeah.
cloth.
Printing, different printing.
Yeah,
also.
I remember last week we take a video about this mask.
Some animal printed facial
there's
mask.
over 20,
Yes.
20 different
Yes.
designs for this clothes mask.
Yes, all
Maybe you can check.
yeah, all can customize. All can customize. You
Yeah.
can do your own design. Yes, if you reach the MOQ, and we can do the customize. Every detail, every field can do customize. And then also you can see this is the skincare set.
Yeah.
Yes, very elegant package.
Yeah.
Yes.
Both for men, for women, for
Yeah.
children. We have different function, different sets,
Yes.
according to different consumers.
Yes, you can see very nice design. So this is our second floor office. You can see our working situation.
This is one
Yeah.
of our workshop. For
Yeah, the second floor is our office.
Yeah.
For our office. We are live streams introduced detailing for our R&D center. Now we just for some new audience. Then we show around our R&D center.
This is our engineer.
Yes. Last time we already
When we enter
Before
into
go
R&D
into the
center,
R&D
we
center.
need to wear the clothes.
yeah, wear the clothes. Yeah. Last time our audience have already know our R&D center, the detail of that. But now this time we will just give a brief introduction and a brief showing around.
Yeah, just
Okay.
take around.
Yes,
Just
take
take
around.
around. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And
you
the
can-
other is working for skincare products.
Yes, they are hardworking for the sample now, and they will have tags. And so everyone, you have your own formula, and we can follow your formula to make your product, to make your sample, and to tags. Yes. Also, you can use our formula, so you can choose. You can choose. Today, we are very appreciate that and very happy for this. Thank you for your support. And everyone who come across to our live stream, please follow us and also give a like to us. Thank you for joining us. We have a good times with you. Okay.
Hello everyone. Yeah. Now it is time to say goodbye.
Yes. See you next time. So, okay.
Okay.
We date you. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.